Well, hi everyone again. So in our previous video we have seen how to install Docker engine in our Ubuntu machine, because we are going to install here Zabbix server but in a container way. I mean a containerized version. So for that, first step is we need to install Docker engine, which it was not installed and we have installed previously. And we also installed docker-compose because we're gonna build a new container here. So as you can see, I run these commands again and it started installing it, and the docker compose version is 2.39.2. Okay, now we are good to go to create our working directory. Now again, I'm gonna need a working directory, so I need to create some directory here. So I'm gonna copy paste same the command, because those commands are already added in my notepad. I'm simply copy pasting it here, and the command is simply creating and just going inside that directory. I'm gonna press enter, and as you can see, I'm in this present working directory. It's like this, and now I need to create a YML file which is called docker compose file, like that. So I can use here vim, or you can use a notepad or whatever is here. I'm gonna press enter, and let's press enter I. So I'm gonna press I to go to insert mode, and I need to use here the default one. So let me gonna start it, copy. So I'm copy pasting it the default one which is given by the Docker official one. So I'm not changing anything because the password will be the same. Zabbix password, PostgreSQL DB password same like Zabbix. Okay, now I'm pressing escape, and I will gonna go back from the visual mode. I'm pressing colon WQ and enter. So our docker compose file is now ready. Now what's next? Now we need to start our Docker stack. So for that we need to use docker compose up -d and press enter. Oh, we got some error here. Permission denied. Oh, I missed use here sudo. So our docker composing right now, and we will get our container running, I guess. So I'm gonna stop this video now. We're gonna come back once it completed. So our compose is almost about to finish. We're gonna wait. So what we have installed now is Zabbix web is now, I guess it's pulled. Zabbix server is now pulled. Now it's the database part is now setting up. So if everything goes well, so then we can able to see the same, I mean the web page in our localhost on port 8080, and obviously the username, I haven't changed anything. That's why the username will be admin and the password will be Zabbix. We're gonna see here now. It's almost completed. So it's now completed. As you can see here, we have now network also created, and volume also created, and container also up and running. To verify it, let's use the command docker ps and enter. Oh, I'm sorry, I need to use sudo command again. And as you can see, I have now 3 docker container running, which is first one is the NGINX one, and the alpine-latest we have installed here, and then the last one is for PostgreSQL one. So as you can see now, everything seems working. And let me open my browser, and let's go for our local host, and let's go for the IP address, host name -i, and press enter. I believe that's my IP address. I'm gonna copy, gonna paste it here. Let's use the port 8080, and I got the screen right now, Zabbix screen. let's use username. Default username will be admin and the password will be Zabbix. Press signing in. Let's save it. Okay, so which version we install now? We install now Zabbix 7.4.1. As you can see, that's the Docker container version, not our traditional one. Now can we see about, like, let me start my Zabbix server here, which we install locally, not the container one. We're gonna see, well, what if we get this two Zabbix server in the same server or not. Okay, so I try to start my Zabbix server here, which was installed earlier, but I'm getting some error. So let's see what's the error we're getting it here. I'm gonna copy this command and paste it here. I believe fail to start, cannot. Okay, I think something, but it didn't work. Okay, fine. But anyhow, our Docker container is up and running and we can see the data is here.